What the fuck is that? Is that a fucking sand pod?
I believe it is.
Oh god. Kermit, you might want to go get Sal. I think he probably wants to see this or anything, because I want to see what's going on over there. So,
You got it.
let's... Like, no need, dude. I'm already here, man. Shaggy? Wait. Isn't he the dead meme, Kermit?
Yeah, he was pretty dead.
Wow.
What the hell are you doing here, Shaggy? You were like a dead meme like 2 years ago.
Like, it's easier said than done, dude. I'm only here for one purpose. And that purpose is literally one thing. My revenge, dude. Well, guess what, Shaggy? Your revenge is literally pointless. Like, literally fucking pointless as it is. Like, I don't know why you keep coming back. But now you're here on my channel. You shouldn't be here. You're already dead.
You're like, what? How are you here even anyways?
Kermit, he did say his revenge. Basically.
All right.
And, you know, to be honest, basically, you know what happens? Basically, like, you always keep, like, coming back. You know what?
Oh boy.
Yep, I am basically in control of this time. I'm really surprised. By the way, a model is working on it very soon, guys. Don't worry about it. Anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna kick your ass now. Like, I'm not here to mess around, dude. Bring me Cell, or even hell, bring me Shallot, man, or Slick, or something, whatever. Guess what? This is only the beginning. Like, prepare to witness my max power, dude!
You aren't strong enough to beat me, Vegito, even in your true fusion! Like, I gotta chew ass and kick bubblegum!
What the fuck?
And my foot fell off!
What the fuck?
Goodness gracious, man, you trying to like blind us or something?
What is he? Oh my god! What kind of power is that?
I don't even know. That's something. That's for certain.
Is that like a fucking budget increase or something? Oh my god! It's so bright!
Who increased the budget? Someone did.
Oh god! Hey, what the fuck? Oh! Like, it's time to get your ass whooped, man. Like, you should see my power, dude. Shaggy! Like, you're down, man. Like, after I defeat you, I'm taking out Razor next. It's on the time, man. Oh, get flying to space. Kirby, no! Oh, God.
Looks like you're next, Razor.
Oh, God. Well, I guess I have to do this already. Put him up, Shaggy. You should see my powerful strength. That's Had enough, Shaggy? What are you doing?
You think you defeated me that easily, man?
What are you
This
doing?
only the beginning.
Only the beginning? What are you gonna do? Just basically, like, wait for another episode of, like Shallot versus Shaggy? Or Slick Shallot versus Shaggy?
Exactly.
You know, I'm just gonna basically fly up to the sky and then just gonna flap away. Well, there goes Kermit. Well, I think I'm basically too strong for that. That's literally nuts. I don't know how to end this video because Kermit's knocked out somewhere, because I think he should be back. Oh, hey everybody.
Oh, goodness. Oh.
Alright, bud.
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Dude, you literally got your ass whooped like last time, like literally. How did that even happen?
You know, I don't really know. One of those days, really.
Oh, Christ almighty. Like, I think, like, the next one, or the next episode's gonna be, like, I gotta make a model of, like, budget increase Shaggy Jump Force model, and then go into, like, versus Slick Shallot. Which is gonna be 10 likes for that video, by the way. Keep in mind, folks. Keep in mind.
10 likes and it will become a reality.
Oh, yeah. Also, for another 10 likes, we're gonna do some, the model that I'm still working on versus maybe Shaggy rematch. Maybe, I don't know. Like 10 likes, I guess. 10 likes.
Like a rematch for the ages.
Pretty much, yeah. Also, where the hell is Salah? Is he at home, or is he just sitting on the couch sleeping again? Like, really?
Probably asleep.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna wake his ass up for that one after this. Well, maybe in the next episode, I guess? Like, maybe Slick Shallot versus Shaggy will be the final episode. And then, it's going to be the FNAF Into Mario's Pit SMG4 fan video. Yeah. So, yeah, guys, that's clearly the end. So, this episode.
You
So,
take care and whatnot.
yeah, take care of yourself, and lots of love. Go subscribe to my girlfriend's channel, link in the description. And, yeah, we'll see how far we go.